Hi traders, you are welcome. You are welcome to the Forex Geek channel, and in this video I am going to show you how to install and use MetaTrader 5 on Android. Alright, MT5 is one of the most advanced trading platforms available, and with the Android app you can manage trades anytime and anywhere from your phone. Okay, so in this tutorial I'll guide you step by step through installing the app, setting it up, and using its features to navigate the markets. Okay, now let us start with the installation process. Okay, first of all you have to open your Google Play Store on your Android device. In the search bar you have to type in MetaTrader 5. Alright, so MetaTrader 5 is here. Okay, now just you look for the official app, okay, created by MetaCode Software. Once you find it, you just tap on the install button. Alright, I already have the app installed, so since there is an update, I'm just going to update it right away. Alright, so if you don't have the app installed, just install the app, and once you are done installing the app, the next thing for you to do is to open the app, obviously. Alright, so we're going to be opening this app once this update has been completely installed. Okay, great. So we open the app. Alright, now once you have done this, if you are opening MetaTrader 5 for the first time, you are going to see two options, and the options are to either open an account, or either you open a demo account, or you want to log into an existing account. Okay, but that is if you are opening MT5 for the first time. But since I already have some accounts logged in, so that option did not come out for me. Okay, now if you already have an account, you can just go to log into an existing account. Alright, you search for your broker. If you already have a broker, okay, in the search bar you type your broker's name, and then you select it from the list, and then you enter your login and your password, and ensure that the server is correct and all of that, and then you can click on the login button. Okay, if you are brand new, you can just open the demo account with the meta codes. Alright, you can just open the demo account with the meta codes. If you click on that, you just fill in the necessary details and all of that. Okay, so once you are done with the opening of an account, or with the logging in of an account, the next thing is to explore the main features of MT5 on Android. So at the bottom of the app you'll find tabs for your quotes, your charts, your trade, your history. Alright, and then here you have messages. That is if you're signed into the Meta MQL5 website. Alright, so the quotes tab displays a list of instruments and their prices. If the market you want to trade is not listed, just tap the plus icon to add more symbols. Whatever symbol you want to add, just click on the plus icon and it's going to get added. Okay, you can just even search for the symbol, whatever symbol you want to add, and then you just click on the plus icon to add it. Okay, alright, that's super easy. Okay, now the chart tab is where you can analyze the market. You can just tap on any instrument in the quotes list. Just tap on any instrument in the quote list, and then you select chart. From here you can pinch and zoom. Right, you can just pinch to zoom, swipe to move around, swipe left, swipe right to move around. All right, and you can change the chart type. If you just tap anywhere on the screen, then you go to this settings. All right, you can see the line type. You can actually change whether you want to use bar chart. You can see this is bar chart, or if you want to use candlesticks, or if you want to use line chart or Heikin or Shi. So there are different options here, so we're just going to use candlestick, okay, for the purpose of this video. All right, so here on the chart is where you do your analysis, right? Basically this is where you do your analysis. You can also switch between time frames. You can see, just tap anywhere on your screen and the time frame, you know, say the time frame tool is going to pop out, and you can select whatever time frame that you want to use. Okay, then for the analysis you can tap on the F icon. Okay, but if you do not see an F icon, then you can use this. You can see this, but this is MT5, so you will likely see this. Okay, but in MT4 you probably see the F icon, so you can tap on this, and when you tap on it, this is where you add your indicators, right? So you can just tap on this F here, tap on this F, then you add whatever indicator that you want to add, whether it's moving averages or RSI or MACD, whatever. You just add the indicator, set the parameters and all of that, and then click on save. And when you come here, you're going to see the indicator added to your chart. You can also use drawing tools, right? If you click on this, you do your drawing tools. You can use your trend lines for your analysis. You can use the horizontal support and resistance line, and all of that. So basically this is where you do your analysis on your chart, and you can take advantage of the drawing tools that are here. Okay, you can see there are even Fibonacci, there's even Fibonacci retracement tool for you. So if you're a Fibonacci trader, you can still take advantage of that. Basically you can just go through the tools that are available, and then you do your analysis accordingly. All right, okay, now let us look at how to place trades in MT5. Okay, MT5 on Android. So to open a trade, you just go to the quotes tab, you tap on the instrument that you want to trade, all right, and you select new order. Okay, remember that you should have done your analysis already. All right, once you've done your analysis already, then you click on that new order. A trade window will appear where you can choose your lot size, you set your stop loss, you set your take profit, and decide whether to buy or sell. All right, so let's imagine that we set stop loss. Of course, you must have done your analysis already. Set your take profit, and then you execute your trade. You click on the buy or the sell button. Okay, if you want to place a pending order, you can also place a pending order. If you click on new order, market execution, you can see different pending orders that are here. All right, so you select the particular pending order that you want to set, and then you set the parameters here, and then you click on place. Okay, so it's super easy. All right, it's super easy. So this is another way to place trade. You can actually use the the one-click option, right? You can actually use the one-click option here. You can see if you want to one-click trading, if you want to buy, you can just set your lot size here. You just click on this button on the top right corner. It's going to open the one-click trading option, and then you set your lot size here. When you set your lot size, then you just click on the buy button or the sell button to execute the trade instantly. All right, so once you execute your trade instantly, you can then manage your trade from here. All right, so now we have looked at how to place a trade. Okay, so managing trades is straightforward. In the trade tab, this is the trade tab, right? You see all your open positions. Even if you have more than one positions open, you're going to see them here. Okay, and then you will see your active orders. Maybe if you set pending orders, this is also another way to set pending orders. Just click on this, see this particular one. If you click on it, then if you want to set buy limit or whatever, just make sure that you set the lot size properly here, right? And then you can now set your pending order, whether it's going to be buy limit or sell limit or sell stop or whatever. You can just change it here, right? The particular one that you want to set, and then you can also set the stop loss. So this is one of the features that MT5 has that MT4 does not have. This particular tool that I'm using right now, right? So you can just set your pending orders directly from here. We can still even adjust the stop loss and take profit levels from here, right? And even the lot size. So when you're done, you can just click on place. Okay, so on your trade tab, you're going to see both your active orders, your trades, your running trades, and your active pending orders. You're going to see them here. Okay, All right, so if you want to modify an open order, you can just swipe left. You can just click on this pencil button, and then of course you can set your stop loss, or edit your stop loss that you have previously set before, and take profit that you've previously set before. You can actually modify them from here. All right, so you can modify them from here. So once you are done, just click on the modify button. Another way to modify is to just drag. Right, just drag your stop loss to the particular place you want, drag your take profit to the particular place you want, and then just click here and then click on modify, and it's going to modify the stop loss and take profit accordingly. Okay, so now you can also switch between accounts here. If you just tap on here, you just switch between, maybe if you have more than one account open, or if you want to add new accounts, you can just come here and do that. So it's super easy. Even if you want to customize your chart, you can just click on here. You can customize the settings, basically the settings for your app. This is the settings place. Just tap on anywhere and then tap on this. That's for your settings, to customize your settings. Okay, so whether you're using a demo account to practice or a live account with your broker, MT5 on Android gives you the flexibility to trade on the go. Okay, if you want to close an open trade, you can just swipe left. You click on this first one, and then click on close, and of course it's going to close. And if you want to close a pending order, you can just do the same thing. All right, so if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more trading tutorials, strategies, and guides. Okay, this tutorial is actually for beginners, and even experienced traders as well. It doesn't matter if maybe you have been trading with a PC, maybe with a computer, and maybe you just want to learn how to use a phone to trade. Perhaps you have not really been familiar with trading on phone. Okay, so this video can also be a benefit to you. So by following the steps, you gain the confidence to navigate MT5, analyze your charts, and place trades directly from your Android phone. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss future updates. Thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.